guys, welcome to my YouTube channel or TikTok channel cause I have a new account in YouTube called I'm going to type. This is the name of the channel. This new YouTube channel is only with one and okay guys, don't forget it until you finish the video and subscribing to the if you're watching in this TikTok, please search in YouTube and subscribe if you see that. Okay, so we have fighting a player's Gojo. His battle level 61. And I'm also level 61. I mean 60. I actually have a level on my other account, but it got hacked. So just watch while I'm fighting on this player. Wait, guys. Wait. What kind of gun is you using, bro? Yes, sir. Wait, his name like that? And now my ping is 75. Earlier when I was playing Rivals, my ping is actually crazy. 1110, bro, that's crazy. And I was so laggy also earlier, and this player's annoying because he's using RPG, bro. Okay. By the way, he's on mobile. I'm also in mobile, but I'm not auto shooting at all. What the, bro? Yo. That's crazy, bro. He didn't. Wait, what item is using, bro? What? I'm going to report your name, not going to lie. And to bet him, I'm going to use this loadout. Okay. Okay na. Shit, oh na. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. His name is like that, but it's bad na. Wait, let me use this loadout. A knife loadout. What? He was camping there? Wait, he had a skin on AR? No. Wait. Yo! It almost, wait, never mind, because it looked like a skin to me. Wait, he's also using AR, so I'm going to use AR, okay guys? Sorry, my voice is a little bit low. Because I was higher my voice because I think you don't hear it. So, that's why. Yo bro, what? Wait. I think it's using auto shoots. Look, I'm not actually using auto shoot though. Please don't make fun of me. You're not being a noob. It's disabled. Okay, okay. Not bad damage. What? Yeah, I hate daggers. I only use daggers for double jump. So, bruh. Wait, I need. That's my dad. Okay, wait. So, guys, wait. I'm going to end the video here. Bye, guys.